Hello, 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 everybody. Tim here, giving you a week number 3 update on the Hickory Hill property rehab. Here we are in the kitchen. Of course, in the past we've talked about knocking out this wall here and stuff, but so that looks good. Opened it right up. So this week we've got the majority of things painted. Still got to trim it up and edge it and everything. You can see the white upper cabinets and the dark gray lower cabinets, and then we have a light grayish color walls, and that really has made a huge difference in here. Shortly we're going to see granite installed and everything else trimmed up, and that's going to make a world of difference, and the lighting's starting to go in. So in the bedrooms, we've got all that stuff painted up. That's doing good. This week we got tile coming in, so the bathroom will get the new tile work done. Bedrooms are starting to get doorknobs and ceiling fans and things like that installed, so things are coming along. Once the granite goes in and things are trimmed up, flooring is scheduled for towards the end of this week, so it's going to really start shaping up then. We're still going to think about what color we're doing on the fireplace, but it's probably going to be the darker color like on the kitchen cabinets and the lower cabinets. Okay. We decided to keep the wooden beams. What a huge difference that makes in this room, accenting it, not painting those. So big difference. New ceiling fan installed. Coming back here in the back, we're going to take you to the master. Master looks so much better with the painting of the walls, new baseboards in, crown moldings painted. And then back here in the master, this isn't done yet, but there's another coat of paint to go on, and lights are in, so on and so forth. Looking really good, okay? Looking really good, coming along nice. So still this week will be a huge difference once we get the new flooring down. Like I said, that's Wednesday or Thursday this week. And then, I'm not sure about granite, but that'll be coming up soon. Man, I love those beams. That looks so much better. And it'll look better next week when we get that fireplace painted too. So anyhow, end of week 3 update, looking really good. End of week 4 should be a considerable improvement from this. And we'll talk to you then. Have a great day. Go buy a house.